I am Michael Smith. I'm a manager here at NeuraFlash on the digital experience team, and we do the conversational design for NeuraFlash customers. How would you define that role of the conversational designer today?
I've always said that conversation design is a blend of analytical and linguistic skills.
So I studied linguistics when I kind of discovered how that can be involved in designing solutions in modern technology. I thought that was a really cool connection, and I really wanted to dive deeper into that. And I think this is a really exciting time to be in this field because I think we're really having a bigger change in how people actually interact with these systems.
In 2014, I was having one of my first interactions with Siri, and Siri really inspired me because I noticed how good the speech recognition was getting and the speech synthesis, and I realized it was a good time to shift back to conversational design. I started a startup company focusing on AI avatars. So it's specific to conversational AI. I led teams of designers and developers to create chatbots and voice assistants and that sort of thing for Alexa and Google Assistant.
From the beginning, we'll have a discovery phase. I'll try to learn as much as I can about what the customer is doing currently and what they need. I'll call their current IVR. I'll transcribe everything that they have. I'll listen through again, and I'll try to make improvements to the prompts, to menus, things like that. Try to make a better, quicker interaction for the caller. If they have a chatbot, I'll go into their chatbot, I'll review. After that, I put a draft together of a design, and then I'll show it to them. And then together, we try to build the best bot or IVR that we can based on their requirements.
You spend a lot of time understanding the journey for each task that has to be done. What is the customer's motivation? What's the user's motivation? What are they doing? What are they trying to do? What mindset are they in? What needs to happen? What do they know? What might they not know?
We've always taken the approach of being very transparent to users that they are interacting with an automated system and they are not interacting with a human, making it clear that this is not a human, but in most cases, we want to have the ability that you can still reach a human if you need to make sure that users understand what they're interacting with and, have an understanding of what it's capable of.
There are limits to artificial intelligence. You've got to have some of that human factor in there.
Who on the team or who here in NeuraFlash inspires you?
I would say the person on our team that inspires me the most is Callie. She gets into everything and does it to the best of her ability and learns new things. She's the epitome of what you want a coworker to be.
Well, broadly, it's the leadership. They're able to bring together a talented bunch of people who each contribute in their own ways. They encourage us to continually grow. You might not be surprised to hear that I find Jenny's work very inspiring. Jenny has a breadth of knowledge. I'm learning new things all the time from Jenny.
Every single person here cares about those customers, those users and their experiences and has their best interest at heart.
So, who on our team is secretly a robot?
I wouldn't say a robot, but he would side with the robots to Brandon. He studied AI, way too much. So he's going to be right there with the robots.
It's absolutely Brandon. He's the one that is the most into all the AI. And so I think he would totally immerse himself in it and be Team Robot.
I think I would say Brandon on our team. He knows too much about AI to be truly a human.
Yeah, even though The Matrix is my favorite movie, that is one of the things that I kind of dislike about movies depicting AI. It doesn't need to be necessarily us versus them. AI is a tool that we created. By using the technology of AI, it's not working against us, it's working with us. I guess some might say, yes, that's exactly what someone would say when they're on the AI side. But